How can you buy gold on Robinhood? While you cannot buy physical gold on Robinhood, there are different funds, ETF stocks that kind of mimic gold or follow gold or whatnot. So I'll show you an example of that here that you can purchase, but it's not like you're going to actually own gold, for instance. This also isn't any kind of recommendation or advice on investing by any means. However, if you look at something like GLD or even search for gold, you can probably find some different things, not Robinhood gold, but like GLD, for instance, is one, a little gold trust. And you can read about it and kind of determine for yourself, whether or not you want to invest in any of these funds. Like I said, not a recommendation, just if you're looking to invest in gold, these kind of things are options that sort of follow gold. You can't buy physical gold on Robinhood, but here's kind of like a workaround or a different way to sort of buy gold or buy something like gold on Robinhood.